was something I forgot to show you. Check it out, baby girl, you left me. Oh no, we broke up, and it's been a while since we last spoke, but I need another chance, can you give me that? Cause there's something in my pants, I could win you back. I wanna be your man again, but you left me like I'm Jennifer Aniston. And I know you said you never call, but girl, you ain't seen my balls.
You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls. You ain't seen my balls.
My balls are so awesome, don't get me started. They're so damn big.
How big are they?
They're so big, it's really obnoxious. It's like two Ewoks chilling in my boxers. They're so big, I can't hold them back. Even Cartman's like, damn, those are fat. They're so big, they'll run over your feet. That's why when they back up, you hear a beep, beep. And how can I be subtle when my balls chase Indiana Jones through a tunnel? And everyone at Disney World keeps telling me that Epcot Center looks at him with jealousy. In fact, when you see him on the street, they'll fight Godzilla to the death in the sequel. I'm guessing soon you'll be hoping I'm back, cause my balls are so big, they got an opening act.
You ain't seen my balls. 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 You ain't seen my
My
balls.
balls are so epic, but I ain't boasting, cause they have an effect on the tides in the ocean. And when the sun's right, it might cause a total solar eclipse
To my balls.
cause these things are where it's happening. And when I whip them out, you'll take me back again. Should I compare them to a brontosaurus? No, excuse me, I'm on the chorus. I got what you need, and you said you'll never call.